Morning, good morning, morning. How are you guys? Yes, I'm back. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. How's everyone doing? Morning, happy Monday. How is the volume today? Music and voice. Is it good? Is it too high? Too low? Can you guys hear me? All good? Okay, good. Awesome. Okay, so I already took one trade. When I was getting ready to start the stream, I saw the huge move to the downside, and then I bought the dip here and I did a quick scalp there. The market looks extremely eager to go higher. So yes, I already did this very quick, fast, easy scalp with 20 PAs from Apex, and the rest are evals here. But I'm still gonna look for a few trades with my funded futures and Tradeify. What is these alerts? What is this? Oh yeah, DXCM. I'm not gonna trade it because I don't even know what's that, but I guess it was one of those charts that you guys talk here on the stream. But that thing has a huge big gap above. DXCM. I don't even know what's that, but yeah, huge gap above. If you can hold that gap as support, this little level that is 82.35, something like that. That will be your entry to play the gap. Again, I'm not gonna take it, but it looks good. It looks pretty good if you can hold that level. Another alert, SMCI. What's going on with SMCI? My calls on SMCI are coming back to life. Oh yeah, if you can hold this level here as support, another one that looks pretty good for more upside. Tag is looking pretty strong today. Yeah, if you can hold here, most likely go to the next big resistance. My main watch today is CRM. You guys have it on my Discord, on my watch list. AMD trade, it's killing it, and snow is killing me. That was a strong reaction on CRM. Morning. Market is moving a lot. It's too early for that. Ain't nobody got time for this. Okay. Tesla 420, big level to watch. AMD 128. Again, you guys have all those levels on my Discord. Look at that week out of the 128 level on AMD. Happy New Year. Okay, I think we need to like wait and see if the market can calm down a little bit. It's moving too much. What's going on? And I know we have data at 9:45 and at 10, right? Look at that 128 bounce on AMD. That week was fast. Snow. I'm waiting to see what snow's gonna do at Friday's high. If it's gonna hold there, I'm definitely gonna get out of my puts. If rejects Friday high, I'm gonna still hold my puts. Those are red. I'm red on that play right now. Okay. Yeah, SMCI looks pretty good. I'm not gonna play that today because we already have leaps for that one and a lot of shares. I have I have a big position on SMCI and AMD. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, bambino. How was your holidays, guys? I barely trade. I scalp a little bit, but I didn't trade anything with options. And I kind of watched the market a few days, and it was very choppy for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks of choppiness. So definitely not worth it. And it was very expected with low volume. With low volume, you have crazy market. Crazy in a bad way, like crazy choppy, or you can have a big move and then the next day lose the entire move. That's pretty normal when you have a low volume market. Okay, I like that snow hard rejection there. Let's see how it's gonna react to Friday's high. I wanna see it losing Friday high. I don't wanna see it holding it there. If it holds there, that's your entry to go long on snow. Nvidia reacting 149.50. The thing with Nvidia right now, if you were on Nvidia swing, like if you entered an Nvidia swing last week, last 2 weeks, this is a time to take profits. Maybe leave 1-2 runners, but Nvidia has a lot of resistance above, like from 150 till all-time high. That all like huge area there is resistance. I'm waiting to see if CRM is gonna hold 230, 229. I know it has it was downgraded today, so I want to see if it's gonna go lower and hold 329, 330, or if it's gonna lose that support. Obviously, if it loses that support, I'm not gonna be interested on my swing trade. On that swing trade on CRM. AMD looking beautiful. That was a perfect 128 hold. Anyone took that 120 hold on AMD? That was perfect. What are your 2025 resolutions when it comes to trading? For me, honestly, guys, it's trading less. My my goal for 2025 when it comes to trading is trading less, being even more picky with my trades. The more that I trade, the more like not the more that I trade, the more time that I spend watching charts and trading, the more I understand that the less I trade, the better. Ooh, I like that bounce on CRM. Ooh, I think CRM is gonna be the first play for the small account challenge. I'm up 70% on AMD, and I'm down 37% on the snow play. Let's see what contracts I want for the CRM trade. Okay, I got the 340 for the 24th. This is all on the small account challenge, and I'm gonna get a few for next week. Let's see. For this week, I'm getting the 345 for next week. Damn, the market is going crazy here. Yeah, so for the small account, I got one for 340 for the 24th and 3 for next week, 345 strike. And my stop loss is the trade is what you guys have on my watch list. What I posted on my watch list today. Okay, so that's CRM. Beautiful, perfect. Let's go through why I'm taking this one. So this is why I posted today on my watch list. Here it is. There it is. Okay, CRM. Big watch for me today. Possible folding wedge setup at a strong support. Here it is. So the idea is holding this as long as hold this little low here, this weak low here, that is around 327.80. And I think CRM, if the tech market is strong, I think it's gonna go back to at least this high the coming days, maybe in 2 weeks, maybe even less, like closer, maybe just this week. But yeah, so my main PT is here, my stop loss is this low here, and that's a trade. I'm not gonna do anything if it's not touching my stop loss or my PT price target. That's the CRM trade. And that's on, I took it on this for the small account challenge. I took it with that account. Okay. AMD was another one that I wanted to take on the small account, but I think it's gone. The entry was the one that we got last 2 weeks, which was around 120, 119, 122. That was the entry for AMD. Yeah, my Discord link is down below. Microsoft 431, 430. Big level to watch there. The other big trade that I'm waiting for is IWM that I posted also today on my watch list on my Discord. So you guys have the levels there. So we have data at 10, 10 and 9:45. So I'm gonna wait for that data to come out for good trades on another good trade, more good trades on with futures. Next week and the 24th. if you know how to trade, you can trade anything. I trade crypto. Well, I don't trade crypto, but kind of I do. I trade futures. You can trade I trade futures, options, crypto, shares. You can trade anything, honestly, if you know how to read the charts. The only thing that I really do think is different, it's penny stocks, because penny stocks, it's you need to be really good reading the volume, because volume is extremely important when it comes to penny stocks. But other than that, if I don't really use volume to trade futures, options, or crypto. But if you know how to read a chart, you can trade anything. So I don't think one like option is better than futures. It's all about the trader. Do I like more futures than options? Yes. Your goal is to know FOMO in 2025? Yeah, I know. MU has a big gap above. That could be a good one also. Guys, AMD is holding 128. That could be a good entry here. If you did not enter it last 2 weeks, 128 hold is looking pretty bullish. AMD, Nvidia reacting 150. Apple looking weak. I want Apple so bad to go to 237, 238. That's another one that I'm looking to trade. Very eager to trade Apple if goes back to previous all-time high. If Apple goes back to 238, 237, I'm gonna enter so heavy on that one. Still waiting. There we go. CRM looking beautiful. If you got weeklies, those weekly must be up a lot right now. Those weekly contracts. It has a little bit of resistance around 338, 339. But I think it can go easily to 344, 344, 345. I do not post trades on my Discord. I'm only gonna post I only post on my Discord my watch list, so you guys are prepared for what I'm looking to trade here on the stream, just like I did with CRM. If you're on my Discord, you definitely know what levels I was looking at to trade on CRM and why I took CRM. And now what I am gonna put on my Discord is anything that I'm taking with the small account, because I'm doing the 2025 small account challenge. But if you want to know exactly why and when I take those trades, that is gonna be here on the stream. So like right now I took CRM here on the stream. I haven't posted on my Discord. I'm gonna do it later when I finish the stream. And if I take any trade when I'm off the stream, it's gonna be posted there, but only when it comes to the small account challenge. Coin 283 hold could be very bullish. Yeah, definitely. You get these on coin, you get these daily. So if you can really use this resistance as support, so I change these as support. If you can really use this level as support, I think coin can go back to 350, 340 on the next few weeks. But it needs Bitcoin to move. Bitcoin doing? Let's see what is Bitcoin doing. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Look how beautiful this bounce here on Bitcoin. See how charts are the same for everything pretty much. Bitcoin definitely looks like it wants to retest all-time high. 108. Yep. No, I didn't take snow. It's doing nothing. It is holding above Friday high, which is bullish, but it's looking pretty weak. So I'm still not out of my snow boots, but definitely I'm red on that play. I just put alerts above today's high, morning high, and around Friday high, and then I'm just gonna wait and see which one is gonna pop off first, and then I'll decide what I'm gonna do with that trade. The thing about swing trading is like, it's not about, oh, I want to be a swing trader. You need to understand when the market is giving you swing trades and when the market is not giving you swing trades. So like pretty much the entire month of December, you couldn't swing trade there. Yeah, look at this December SPY. A lot of choppiness here, all choppy consolidation, and then went down, and then it went up and down and up and down. So basically we still don't really have a clean trend. So if you don't have a clean trend in the market, it's not a market to swing trade. That's the first thing that we need to understand about swing trading. You cannot swing trade if the market is not on a clean trend. Two minutes for data. And 1 minute for data. Anyone on AMD? Okay, so data is out. Let's see if we have any reaction here. The market definitely looks like it's a gap and go day, but it's moving slower now. So this is support now. It's turning green. And we have gaps below, both on SPY and the Q. The Q, both SPY and the Q have a bunch of wicks at the top. We have Nvidia, ugly 150 reaction. SPY looking pretty bullish there. I think if we can have like a pullback here to the VWAP, it could be a good entry because that's around near pre-market high and near this support here. But we're definitely looking like it's flagging here, both SPY and the Q. SPY looking pretty strong. Nvidia still rejecting 150, which is a big resistance for Nvidia. Yeah, I would love to see a pullback here to the VWAP. Kind of like around this support level. But SPY looking pretty bullish, very strong. SPY definitely stronger than the Q. The Q and Nvidia are looking pretty much the same, so if we can have a pullback on Nvidia to the VWAP, that will be a good entry. Also just like the Q. No, it's still looking pretty bearish, weaker than the Q, but it's above Friday high, so that's bullish. And Apple is rejecting the VWAP. Looking pretty choppy, Apple, but it's weaker than the market if it is under the VWAP. Come on, give me a pullback that I want. Yeah, definitely looks like a flag here. Netflix, let's see. I don't know, I don't like how Netflix move, but the support is here. This is a big support that he has. I don't like how Netflix move. I feel Netflix is pretty choppy. But all this is your big support area. Yep. Nvidia pretty strong. Microsoft is having a lot of trouble at 430, 431. That's a big resistance that it needs to act as support if we want to see more Microsoft upside. AMD, CRM pulling back. was a beautiful reaction. I took it with these 5 trade-ofi accounts, so 2 for 2, but I think the trade is these hold here on the queue. So let's go long here. I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna add more if it goes lower and it still holds there. Okay, I added 1 more. So basically my stop loss is if cannot hold here. Okay, I like that. That was a very strong bounce. The market is moving pretty weird. Okay, I'm selling 1 here, holding 1. So I'm not gonna sell anything unless we break this support. And honestly, I'm just gonna hold. The Q has a little gap here above. Well, it's not so little. It has this old gap here, so we might go for that. But I can see how this high is acting as resistance on the Q. So we want to see it breaking that resistance, going higher, and then going for that gap. So I'm gonna put a level here so I know that's a gap. And yeah, so I sold if cannot hold the VWAP. That's my stop loss. And my PT is gonna be that gap fill. Oh, I'm on ES. Oh, shoot. Well, you're right. Should I sell it? Dang it. I wanted to take the Q because I like that Q. I like this Q chart. I think it's easier to read. But dang it. I guess I'm gonna use these candlesticks as my stop loss. It's low here, and SPY still also have a gap here above, so it's pretty much looking exactly like the Q. Ooh, Nvidia's going for all-time high. Yeah, Nvidia is the one that is moving the market today. I guess Nvidia is back. Yeah, I don't like how the market is moving. It's moving extremely weird. These candlesticks are weird. Yes, we're going up, but the candlesticks are weird. Apple is a mess. Nvidia is definitely very like steady to the upside, very clean. But SPY and the Q are not. Kind of want to go for AMD weeklies. Yeah, I'm gonna go for AMD weeklies 130. My stop is it's gonna be if loses today's low. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, definitely markets that are super choppy. It's when accounts are blown, but it is weird. But we have a clean uptrend. So yes, the candlesticks are weird, but we have a clean uptrend. Ooh, Microsoft holding 431 on support. Microsoft, it's very, very interesting. I like that chart. Now we have the Qs definitely stronger than SPY. Yeah, the Q is up 1.62% up for the day, and SPY 1.10. Snow is still weak. It definitely looks like it wants to go to Friday's high, and I'm waiting to see how it's gonna react there. I really, really like CRM. Really like that chart. I want to see the 30-minute candle closing strong here on SPY. I don't want to see it looking like small with a small body and a long wick at the top. IWM is weak. I thought IWM it was gonna break 227.50 today, 228. I think SpandeQ needs to go for one gap, either the gap above or the gap below. So far, it looks like they want to go for the gap above, so we'll see. Dang it, why did I not notice that I was trading ES instead of the NQ? The NQ was so clean. Well, the Q, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, nice. Anyone got in on this pullback here? That was so perfect. Look at that very strong reaction. I don't know if it is post-vacation rust, because I've done that. I always do that. That always happens to me, always. Ooh, Amazon, 225, 226 hold. That's a pretty good hold there for maybe a move back to all-time high. This looks like a very clean flag. Look at this. And it's holding this resistance here now as support. So I do like this chart a lot. If it can hold this support, yeah, I can definitely see it going back to previous all-time high. And if the entire tech market is strong, it's gonna break that all-time high. Yeah. Low. Nvidia, very strong so far. Nothing else is really moving, to be honest. I don't see anything else like really moving. The problem that I have for everything right now, it is that almost every chart that I see that it has a very good setup, they all have gaps below, and I don't like swing trading with gaps below. That's why I took a swing on CRM, because it doesn't have a gap below. Literally opened at the same level that it closed on Friday. Why is the market so slow now? It's only 10:30, 10:27. Like, just move. Go slow on lunch hour, but not right now. I want to close this trade before 12. So move. I like these first. The CRM trade is posted on the small account challenge on my Discord, so you have the info there. Oh no, I posted on the wrong one. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so this trade, I entered here. My stop loss is gonna be this wick low, and my PT is the gap. So 4.67 risk to reward, which is pretty good. I like everything that is 2 or above. I kind of want to see the VWAP going higher so it can go to the support. So we have, I like to see the VWAP going to support. So there you have two things that I'm holding the stock, the VWAP and support. The VWAP is still kind of far from that support. So if the market keeps consolidating, I want to see the VWAP going a little bit higher and being inside these level here. On the AMD trade that I took today, so I'm looking for a move toward this level here that was resistance in the past. So I'm gonna take most of my profits around 131, 130, 131.50. But AMD has a big gap below, so we could see it going lower, filling the gap and then bouncing again. So we'll see. We'll see. This probably is gonna be a day trade if I see it going to 131, 131.50. So basically, I enter, I think, around here. My stop loss is here. My PT is here. So it's not the biggest risk to reward trade, but we have a lot of time. Today is Monday. Oh, the market is closed on Thursday, right? I don't like that. When are we gonna have a full week of trading? When? Okay, I'm officially all out of snow. I don't like how it's consolidating above Friday high. That's bullish. AMD is looking weak now. It's looking pretty weak. Why? Why are you moving like that today? Nvidia is holding pretty good. The market is holding pretty good. Moving very, very slow, but it's holding. Okay, let's see how AMD is gonna react to 128, 127. Is this dead hour? Like you guys? I need to start going to the gym this week. I've been lazy and I haven't worked out too much the past, I would say, 3 weeks. And I'm really thinking about going to a gym with everyone and their mother going to a gym the first 2 weeks, I would say this month. The gym is gonna be so packed that I don't really want to go with everyone there. I think I should go around 12, around lunch hour. There's gonna be less people there, but if not, it's gonna be a nightmare. Like early morning and 5:36, the gyms are gonna be so packed this month. Everyone trying to catch up with their catch up and trying to go along with their 2025 New Year's resolution. I do need a coach. I like more training with a coach because I'm the type of person that I need to be pushed to put more weight and do more reps when working out. I'm pretty good at playing sports, but when it comes to the gym, I'm a little bit lazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I get bored going to a gym. At 5 a.m? I don't know, but I do not wake up at 5 a.m. to go to the gym. I might wake up at 6. Maybe. The problem with me is that I'm a night person, so it's extremely difficult to wake up early when you are a night person. Like, I like being awake at night, and I like sleeping in the morning. Oh, you're in Nashville? Yeah, that doesn't work. That is not gonna work. Are you gonna stop me out to the AMD from the new trade, not the old one? Golf season? CRM is looking so beautiful. It's looking so good. Snow is looking pretty good for more upside. Oh, okay. Because of the snow. Okay, I got it. Well, if you move here to Miami, you can play golf all year round. But during summer, you're gonna be like a fried egg. It's too hot here in the summer. I have the 50k accounts on Apex. By the way, Apex is still, I think I paid 85 for the lifetime fee for the PAs. So that promo is still going. And for Trade of 5, I think it's 30% off right now. Yeah, you can get up to 5 and it's 30% off. How do you deal with trailing drawdown? How do you deal with anything when it comes to trading? Managing your size. You will not have any problem with the trailing drawdown if you're not going full port. Like, how do you deal with having big losses? Just not trading with big size. That's it. Nope. I mean, these are Apex PAs, right? So how many I made 130, 125. It depends here on just trading with one mini, quick in and out. I don't even think about the trailing drawdown if I'm going for base hits type of plays. and not going like full port with 5 or 10 minis. Slow but steady. Slow but steady. That's the key of trading, being consistent and having wins that add up to your overall P&L. Yeah, this market is like boring. Same thing here. I did 330 with these 5 trade-off-I accounts, like 1 trade in and out, and I'm done. Like, just everything adds up. Like, you don't need to go full port to make a lot of money, especially with 20 accounts on Apex. So let's just say I have 145 with a few accounts, 135 with others, and 125. So let's just say I made 130, right? 130 multiplied by 20 accounts, that's 2,600 in one day. So if I do, let's just say $100 multiplied by 20 accounts, and I don't trade Friday most of the time, so I trade 4 times per week. That's 8K per week, and a month multiplied by 4, that's 3,200 there. Only doing $100 per account. Is it easy, or is it difficult to make $100 on futures, on trading futures? It's not hard at all. What makes that difficult is we make one green trade that is small like this one, and then we want more. That is what makes trading difficult. It's not trading per se, it's our mentality, our emotions, right? So I'm making 100K per month, and my whole plan this 2025 is just keep doing it and trading less, because the less that I trade, the more money I make on the long term, because I'm being consistent. So making 100K with 20 accounts, which I don't have 20 accounts, I think I have 30 now, or maybe 32, but let's just say I'm trading only with 20 accounts. So how much that will be per account, right? 100K a month divided by 20 accounts, that's 5K per account in 1 week, divided by 4, because I trade 4 times per week, I'm sorry. That's a little bit over 1,200, right? So if I want to make 100K on a month with 20 accounts, I need to make this daily per account. But I do not like having a P&L set per day, because some days you can have a market that is not moving. So most likely, if I try to push it to have this P&L, most likely I'm gonna lose money. So the whole idea is just being the whole idea is understanding how the market is moving, and understanding when are some days that I can get big move from the market, or I can have bigger P&Ls, and then other days it's just like being in and out fast, and then just be done with my day because the market is not moving, right? So if, let's just say you want to make 10K with 10K per month with 20 accounts, that's 500 monthly per account. That is not difficult to make, but that is monthly, right? Yeah, I think, let me say 100K, no, 10K divided by 20 accounts. Yes, that's 500 monthly divided by 4 weeks. That's 125 per week, I'm sorry. Yeah, Is it difficult or is it hard to make 125 per week? It looks too little. Am I doing this right? Let's see, 200 per day with 20 accounts. That's 4K per day multiplied by 4 days. Obviously, you're gonna have some losing days, another some winners days. So let's just say one day you make 300, other day maybe you lose 100, other day maybe you make 1,000, maybe other day you don't make anything. So, but at the end of the day, you wanna have 200 per day. So basically, 200 per day, because I trade only 4 days per week. So 200 multiplied by 4, that's 800 per week. Multiplied by 20 accounts, that's 1,600 in 1 week. No, in 1 month. In 1 month, yeah. Why I'm getting so confused with this? 200 per day multiplied by 4 days per week, multiplied by 20 accounts. Yeah, it's 1,600 in 1 week. Not hard. And you only need to make 200 with 20 accounts. It's all about consistency. All about consistency. So the mentality that I have here with my trading, and I'm gonna try to really respect this, is going for scalps with futures. Not looking for big trades, honestly, unless the market presents me with that opportunity, like right now. Like, there is no reason for me to get out of this trade. The market is not moving much, but it's on a clean uptrend. We got a pullback that I was waiting for. I enter it. I know what's my stop loss, and basically just letting these 3 accounts just let it ride and do nothing, because I have no reason to get out of this trade unless I'm bored or breaks my stop loss. And then this trade, whenever this trade is done, I'm done with my day. Like, I made over $100 with 20 accounts here on Apex. I made 330 here with Tradeify, and then I'm on this trade on my funded futures. And that's it. Consistency at the end pays off. I know it's pretty cool showing up like big, huge days with one trade, but that is not gonna make you a consistent trader. And we wanna do this forever, right? So if we go for big size on trades, we're gonna have like big losing days also. And I'm gonna do the same with options, right? With options, I'm only gonna go for A+ setups. That's why I'm doing the small account challenge, because I want to be very strict with my trades with options. And so I'm only gonna go with A+ setups and for swing trades. So if the market is choppy and I don't see it like giving me good opportunity for swing trades, most likely I'm not even gonna look for trades. For trades with options, obviously. After trading for so long, if you really see what very good traders do, It's trade less and less and less every single year. And after I've been trading for 8 years now, I think 7-8 years, I think 8 years now. I really understand why, because one, you don't want to be sitting here all day and get a flat bot. Two, the market doesn't give you A+ setups every single day. So if you're risking your money into any trade or anything that is moving, the probabilities that you're gonna lose that money are higher than you just being patient and waiting for very good trades. Even doing this, can you have red days or red trades? Yes, definitely. Like snow is a perfect example of a very good trade that it went against me. Like, would I take this put play again? Yes, definitely. Because when I took this trade, snow was definitely reacting this resistance here that now is kind of acting as support, and it has a big gap below. It's just the market decided to go higher, and that's why snow just went higher and didn't fill the gap. But would I take this trade again? Yes. And it went red, but it was a very good setup. Very good setup. And that happens. Like, that happens. Even with A+ setups, you're gonna have your A+ setups that it goes against you. And that's part of trading. It's like if you play a sport, losing, it's part of playing and having fun. And yeah, if you're an athlete, obviously you don't want to lose, but losing comes with the job. I really like this Microsoft hold. It's looking pretty good. It keeps holding this support for 31 for 30.50. Let me show you Microsoft. So it has this 430, 431 resistance, and today is acting as support. The VWAP is below. It looks like a flagging here, so I think if can keep holding this level here as support, it's pretty bullish. Most likely, also it needs the market to hold here. If can hold that support and the market is still bullish, most likely we'll see a move toward the next big resistance, which is this level here. I'm not gonna take it because I already have AMD and CRM, but I do like this one. Again, needs to keep holding this support. Who am I trading with? No one. I'm alone here with you guys. I'm trading with you guys. Oh, thank you. You're so cute. S-Box. Starbucks was exactly like, honestly, it was exactly like snow. It was, yeah, exactly like snow. Pretty much, it went under. It was rejecting here that day. It was rejecting that gap, and then just turn around. Exactly the same trade as snow, and it still has a huge gap below, but we need to understand what's happening with the market to take any trade. So if the market keeps being bullish, we cannot be thinking on getting puts on anything, right? So if you have a bullish market and if you see that stock moving with the market, Even if it is a resistance, I would not look to trade puts. It's better to just wait for pullbacks to go long, because that's what the entire market is doing. Do I ever come to Miami? I live in Miami. Apple? So Apple, for me, the best entry is at a previous all-time high, which is 237, 236. Wait, give me 1 second. Yeah, so Apple, for me, the best entry to go long on Apple is here, previous all-time high, 237, 238, 236. Right now, Apple is bouncing from this 242 support. And let's see how it's gonna react here. If these levels here act as support, definitely Apple is not gonna give me that pullback to previous all-time high, and most likely it's gonna just keep going higher. But I'm not super bullish on Apple unless it breaks this resistance. If I see Apple breaking this resistance and holding it as support, yeah, I will be super bullish on Apple. But if not, for me, it can still react here. Like, this could be just a bounce and then keep go lower. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm watching this level here. It's around 248. If it's gonna hold 248 as support, I will say Apple is pretty bullish. If react, it's still bearish, because technically Apple here, it's on a downtrend. And today, I think this was this pullback here and bounce. It was a very good opportunity to just play a day trade here, or maybe swing trade Friday. But I don't know. I don't like buying Fridays, which I did on snow. I think that was my only regret on the snow play, is that I bought it on Friday, which I do not like swing trading on Fridays, because I feel it's paying more premium just because you want to hold over the weekend, which makes no sense for me. I prefer to just wait on Monday and enter it any swings on Monday. But yeah, Apple, this level. Market's doing nothing. Like, super boring. How do you get hurt playing peekaboo? Well, I guess you can. Yeah, I guess you can. The knees, weak knees. If you have weak knees, those knees can be gone playing peekaboo. Just like playing tennis also, and you can get the tennis player elbow also, and shoulder. I don't like trading Netflix. I used to trade Netflix, but I don't like how Netflix move, and it's too expensive. So I prefer to trade everything else but Netflix. If I'm gonna pay a lot for a contract, I wanna pay it for something that is easy to trade, that it has a clean chart, and it's not choppy. Yeah, the run shoes is also a big deal for playing peekaboo. Yes. Intel? I don't know, but I'm never, ever, ever gonna trade that thing again. If you guys trade watching ES, watch out for this level here. So broke this level. Yeah, I will say all these is a lot of resistance. Yeah. What is the gap? How do you see gaps on ES? So this is December 26th at 2. December 26th, 6 p.m. in the morning. Oh, here. So the gap on ES will be around here. Okay. Because I'm thinking on putting a hard stop loss and hard price target or take profit level on this trade, and then just leave it. Whatever plays out is gonna either stop me out or close the trade and be done with it, because the market is moving extremely slow. It's doing nothing, but I have no reason to close this trade right now. So yeah, I just put my stop loss under around this level here, and I'm gonna put my take profit at 60.88 and yeah, and I'm done. No, 60.80. Yeah, so that is done here, and I'm done with this. So if it goes here, stop me out. If it goes here, it's gonna close the trade in profits, and I'll be done I'm done for today. Pretty good day for me, honestly. Very good day. Nice trade here, pre-market. Nice trade here, and nice trade here. You know what? I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. Yeah, a little bit in profits. A little bit in profits. So this is gonna have here. If it goes here, stops me out. If it goes here, also stop me out, but with huge profits. So I'm just gonna let this trade run, and I don't need to watch the market for that. I'm done here. AMD is still holding way above my stop loss. CRM is looking pretty good. It's doing nothing right now, but as long as it keeps holding above 329, 330, I'm pretty bullish on that chart, and I'm done, guys. No reason for me to keep watching here. So beautiful start of the stream, beautiful start of the week. I'm gonna put these whenever these on TradeZilla, and I'll show you TradeZilla tomorrow how I close the day, but I'm not gonna take any other trade, just whenever this trade gets closed. And that's it. Beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you guys mañana for sure. Remember to like the video. Bye.